The Ministry of Post and Telecommunications stands as one of Cambodia's central institutions in shaping the nation's digital future, overseeing telecommunications, cybersecurity, and innovation. Each year, it welcomes select university interns, including students from AUPP's Faculty of Digital Technologies. At the Security Operations Center, the project leader praised AUPP students for their curiosity and adaptability, noting their ability to connect theory with practice.
The qualities that we observe from AUP students is the way they focus and demonstrate integrity, accountability, and adaptability. Here we observe that the attitude that students have and also the way they learn is very fast and they took the ownership for their works. Even in the complex problem, they remain calm, professionals and analytics as well as solution-oriented. With this, I believe that with just a little bit more guidance, they can be very successful. They can be one of the future leader in Cambodia cybersecurity market. In cybersecurity, it's not all about technology, right? It's a combination of people, process, and technology. So students from AUPP show the combination of critical thinking, strategic thinking, and also their global perspective. They always think forwards in a framework and also assess risk in their mindset. They have this ability to communicate and their strong communicating skill across stakeholders and collaborate with other team. These help us engage more in terms of cybersecurity resilience and work with across different partners. They bring the growth mindsets, adapting fast to the problems and also absorb the feedback and continuously improve along the way. As the ministry and also my experience in accepting internship from AUPP, they are very long-term national impact in terms of human resource in cybersecurity. Many students are deeply motivated to contribute to Cambodia digital transformation. Most of them is very eager to learn, participate, and also host the program to support human resource capability development, including CTF, community work, supporting in terms of capability, skill, cybersecurity awareness, not just in the university, but also in the ministry, public sectors, and also general public. I think this aligns perfectly with the Ministry of Post and Telecommunications commitment to build the long-term human resource capability, digital security, and sustainable cybersecurity national development. I strongly recommend AUPP students to other organizations. They are the contributor, the future leader of our human resource in Cambodia.
AUPP. Study locally, live globally. Apply to AUPP today.